Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically search for poses on Dress to Impress without like scrolling a lot, I guess, so you can reach your pose faster. If you go to the poses section, you can go to solo, or you can go to the duo section. You can actually search for poses if you remember the names. So I remember quite a few. I remember mannequin, I remember Blossom. Do they still have that? Okay. I do remember Lagoon, Splash, Pose 28 is there. Desperado, Julia. So Julia, Apple Dance, Icicle, and then there's just a lot. But if you, for instance, remember the pose that you really like and you haven't favorited it or something, maybe you did favorite it, but it's still like at the bottom, you can just search it out so it's easier for you to pose here. So for instance, paparazzi is one of my favorite poses. I can just search it up instead of like scrolling. That's pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.